Income tax sounds hard? Not after this lesson. We will make it simple, straight to the point, and KCSE ready. Income tax is the money paid to the government from what someone earns, like a salary, profits, or rent. That money helps fund public services like schools and hospitals, roads and bridges, pay public servants like teachers, doctors, and police. Without tax, there would be no development. So no tax, no progress. So who pays income tax? Anyone who earns income pays income tax. That includes people who are employed, run businesses, own rental property, or even earn interest from savings. And yes, students will join them one day, so learn early. What kind of income is taxed? Tax can be charged on salary, business profits, rent, and even bank interest. These are called taxable incomes, and they are the focus when calculating how much somebody should pay. If you'd like extra help with topics like this, I also offer online KCSE Business Studies tuition for Form 3 and Form 4 students. We go through each topic step by step, simple, clear, and exam focused. Whether it's income tax, entrepreneurship, or business math, I've got you covered. To get started, just click the registration link in the description below and you will get all the details. The schedule is flexible and yes, the cost is friendly too. Let's pass KCSE one topic at a time. So let's do a quick recap. Income tax is paid from what people earn. It funds important public services and it's paid by all kinds of people. And up next, we will learn how income tax is actually calculated in KCSE exam style. So hit that subscribe button to keep learning.